Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Explore page on Instagram. First, open your Instagram application and navigate to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy, then scroll down and tap on your activity. This section holds the key to influencing what Instagram shows you, allowing us to begin the process of refreshing your personalized content feed. Once you are in the Your Activity section, locate and tap on Recent Searches. Here, you will see a list of all your past search queries. To effectively reset your Explore page, you need to clear this history. Tap Clear All at the top right, then confirm your decision. This action tells Instagram to forget your previous search interests, providing a clean slate for the algorithm to learn your new preferences. Next, head over to your Explore page. As you scroll, identify any content that you do not wish to see. When you find such a post, tap the three dots located in the top right corner of that post. A menu will appear. Select Not Interested. This crucial step signals directly to Instagram's algorithm that you dislike this type of content. Repeat this process for at least 10 to 15 posts to make a significant impact. Finally, to truly retrain your Explore page, you must actively engage with content you genuinely enjoy. Start following new accounts that align with your current interests and spend more time viewing posts you want to see. The Instagram algorithm learns from your positive interactions, so consistent engagement with desired content will gradually reshape your feed. Be patient. This process typically takes several days of active use to show noticeable changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.